I have a Frigidaire dehumidifier. It got F0 error. And not dehudify anymore. Could you help?
Hi, my name is. I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I am sorry you are having issues. I will be glad to help you today. So, the dehumidifier works very much like an air conditioner. It has a compressor that circulates refrigerant similarly to that of an air conditioner. A few of the most common failures are 1. The dehumidifier has been run using an undersized extension cord and the voltage differential has caused the refrigerant lines to freeze up. In this case, unplugging it for a few hours will solve this problem and plugging it directly into an outlet. 2. Under the same conditions of the extension cord or other electrical faults, the overload capacitor has blown internally and the compressor is not coming on. In this case, the capacitor would have to be replaced, and evidence of that would be the compressor is not hot. 3. The filter has not been cleaned and is quite dirty. The restricted air causes the lines to freeze and very well may cause a refrigerant leak. In this case, the filter would have to be cleaned and the machine would have to be unplugged overnight to allow the lines to fully defrost. 4. There is a refrigerant leak and the repair for this is pretty extensive and hardly worth the cost since it would cost more than replacement. In this case, the compressor would be hot and no water would be removed.
I will try. Thanks.
You are very welcome. You can add me to your favorites from the My Questions page, and if you start the question with words for Canuck the Pro, then that will request me. I surely want to be your go-to expert. Maybe I can tell you some household things that might be helpful. How to flush your water heater, maintain your dishwasher, or really anything else that would be helpful to you. Thank you so much for allowing me to help with this today. If you have any other questions regarding this, please feel free to let me know. I absolutely want to continue to help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.